For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A total of 1,704 relatives of police personnel across the state who are contacts of 1,986 infected personnel have been quarantined. 86 of these contacts have also tested positive and 862 of them have been discharged. Over 2,000 police personnel have tested positive for COVID-19. 350 relatives of several police personnel have been isolated in Udupi district, the highest in the state. While in Dharwad, there were only 4 cases which were reported. No family members of infected personnel were shifted to quarantine facilities in 13 of the 36 police districts. Overall, 5,300 police personnel in the state have been quarantined till date. Owing to the rising cases in the force, several police personnel are staying in hotels and sharing accommodations with colleagues not wanting to put their families at risk. I have sent my aged parents to our native town in Tumakuru and am staying in a hotel room. I don't want to put my wife or school-going daughter at risk. Every day I speak with them over the phone. I have not met them for the past 35 days. Meanwhile, the condition is even tough for cops posted outside Bengaluru. I'm leaving with my batchmate and have sent my pregnant wife to her native in North Karnataka. We have been working continuously since March and may get infected anytime. Thousands of constables across the state are staying away from their families. Women police officials said they too fear mingling with family members and children in particular.
Many of us have small children. When we return home, they come near us. Unlike our male colleagues, we can't distance ourselves from our families and live separately. Though we are working women, we have responsibilities at home as well.
Many doctors too have tested positive across the state for COVID-19. Over 40 medical staff tested positive for COVID-19 in KC General Hospital, which caused severe shortage of staff. Recently, a 50-year-old doctor succumbed to COVID-19 at the Bengaluru Medical Research Institute as he was denied treatment by 3 hospitals. 6 members of his family, including a 14-year-old, tested COVID-19 positive. Doctors and medical staff too were attacked in some places in Karnataka.